Welcome back to Mad for Cars, the ultimate pit stop for car lovers. If you haven't subscribed to Autovibes yet, do it now so you never miss another legendary ride like the one we're about to dive into. Today, we're taking a deep look at a true American classic, the 1970 Dodge Ram 2500. This isn't just a truck, it's a raw symbol of muscle, grit, and old-school toughness that still turns heads over 50 years later. Let's kick things off with the exterior. The 1970 Dodge Ram 2500 carries a bold and squared-off design that screams utility and dominance. With its broad chrome grille, dual-round headlights, and heavy-duty steel bumpers, it holds a road presence that few modern trucks can match. The paint finish on this model we're reviewing today is a restored shiny red that beautifully contrasts with the thick black tires and chrome details. The body lines are straight and no-nonsense, just like the attitude this truck was built with. Every inch reflects rugged craftsmanship from an era when trucks were built to work hard and last forever. Now stepping inside, don't expect high-tech gadgets or plush luxury. The 1970 Ram 2500 interior is about function over form. But there's a charm to that simplicity. The dashboard is straightforward, with analog gauges that still do their job just fine. The bench seat is wide, wrapped in durable leatherette that feels like it could handle a decade of tough use. The steering wheel is large and sturdy, reminding you that you're in control of something serious. Even the gear shifter has a mechanical, satisfying feel to it. No digital nonsense here. The interior might feel basic by today's standards, but it's a time capsule that takes you right back to an era where driving was all about the connection between man and machine. Now let's talk about performance, the heart of any review. Under the hood, this beast came with a 5.2-liter V8 engine, known for its brute torque and unshakable reliability. It produces around 210 horsepower and a whole lot of low-end grunt, making it ideal for towing, hauling, or just dominating the open road. Paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, it delivers a driving experience that's raw and mechanical in the best way possible. It won't win races, but it will win respect. The suspension is tough, built for rough terrain, and the rear-wheel drive gives it an authentic, classic truck feel that's rare today. Driving the 1970 Dodge Ram 2500 today is like stepping back into the past. It's not fast or flashy, but it's incredibly satisfying. There's no electronic assistance, no sensors, no lane-keeping alerts, no touchscreens. Just you, the road, and the rumble of that V8 under the hood. It's an experience that modern trucks just can't replicate. As for price, this is where things get interesting. Back in 1970, the Dodge Ram 2500 had a starting price of just over $3,000. Can you imagine? But today, depending on the condition, restoration quality, and originality, prices can range from $20,000 to over $45,000 for pristine models. The value of these classics continues to climb as collectors and enthusiasts hunt for well-kept examples. So if you're thinking about investing in one, now might be the time before they become even rare. So, whether you're into vintage trucks, classic American engineering, or just want something that makes a bold statement on the road, the 1970 Dodge Ram 2500 checks every box. It's not just a vehicle, it's a legend. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Autovibes for more epic reviews like this. Thanks for watching Mad for Cars, and I'll see you in the next one.